So, you've decided to start going to the gym? That's great news. But there are a few workout mistakes beginners will likely make that can lead to huge setbacks in terms of gains. To save yourself time, get faster results, and watch out for these 5 rookie workout mistakes to avoid in the gym. Mistake 1. Not planning your workout. Walking into the gym without a plan and gym essentials is a bit like heading to the grocery store without a shopping list. Plan which part of your body are you going to focus on and pack your essentials accordingly. Mistake 2. Skipping the warm-up. Skipping the warm-up is a sure shot way to get injured during a workout. Choose a warm-up routine that involves body weight exercises to elevate your heart rate before you attack the heavy machines at the gym. Invest in a fitness band to map and track your workout progress in each workout. Mistake 3. Repeating the same workouts. If you're following the same regime every single time you go to the gym, you're going to be working out the exact same muscles, missing out on a full body workout experience. Break up any monotony that may be setting in. Mistake 4. Not hydrating between workouts. Being dehydrated can negatively impact your workout performance in ways that you might not even realize. To keep your workout going strong, bring your own bottle and fill it up beforehand. Mistake 5. Not cooling down after the workout. After a tough workout, your heart rate is usually elevated. Not cooling down after a workout can result in lightheadedness, dizziness, and/or fainting. So there you have it, 5 rookie workout mistakes to avoid in the gym.